Hello there, I'm Gav.
I'm Dan.
We're the Slow Mo guys. Dan, what would you say is the most interesting natural disaster?
I'm quite impressed by things like tornadoes.
Tornadoes are
Pretty
good.
cool.
I quite like wildfire.
Shall we sort of combine the two?
Melting pot. The fire tornado is actually, surprisingly, a naturally occurring event. Pretty rare.
Pretty awesome.
Pretty awesome. So we're going to recreate it with about 12 box fans in a circle and some fire.
Okay, so we've got about half an inch of kerosene in there. Just going to light it, step back and let it build up, and then we'll turn the fans on, okay?
Alright, I'm ready on Phantom.
Here we go.
Yeah, that's lit.
Okay, just let it build up.
Go for it.
Yeah. Oh, sweet. That's like 10 foot there. Oh, that's awesome. Look at that.
That's wild.
That's cool.
That got really high.
Yeah.
Feel it heat.
Yeah, it's like it wasn't high enough. Look at that. It's literally a perfect spiral. Look at that. That's wicked.
Well then, I'm not being funny, that looked phenomenal.
Yeah, looks amazing, doesn't it?
I'm always waffling on about how liquids and flame looks good. Spinning flame, even better. I think from now on all flame should be spinning.
Yeah, it looked so good. I just wanted to eat it. It was
It did look good enough.
so
to me.
smooth.
I've never wanted to eat fire before.
yeah, it looks so nice.
It's golden. Did you get singed?
Actually, for once, I didn't lose any arm hair, no eyebrows, no hair, nothing. I was alright.
We played it
Quite
safe.
happy with that.
Feel free to follow us on Twitter, buy a shirt.